Here's the front differential skid made by Next Venture Motorsports. As you can see, it's very well constructed, 1/4 inch steel. I like the way this one is engineered. It mounts up using the 6 lower bolts on the differential cover, along with a bracket on the rear of a differential. I also got the differential cover. Both of them come in bare steel, so you will have to paint them. They both marry up perfectly together. As you can see, the 6 lower bolts are utilized to mount this axle skid. Now, let's get it painted. While the paint's still soft, I found it easy to use a razor blade to expose the logo. Most of you are probably aware of the front axle drain plug being very susceptible to damage. Out on the rocks, hitting this numerous times will cause it to loosen up, drip oil, and ultimately can damage that drain plug. So we're going to take care of that with that axle diff skid. And while we're at it, let's take care of this flimsy diff cover. That front diff oil is looking kind of dark for low mileage. 6,000 miles. Looks like the stock gasket is in perfect condition. We'll get to reuse that. And those wondering why people replace their diffs, paper thin. Stock cover, Next Venture Motorsports, that 1/4 inch. And 4 times as heavy. Once I get all bolts in for the diff cover, I will torque them down to spec, and then I will remove the lower 6 because the diff skid attaches to the lower 6 bolts. Make sure you tighten all these down to 25 foot-pounds. Now you gotta get these brackets. Right, only after you have all 6 of these started, then you can start tightening them up. There she is. There it is, filled up till it drains out of the fill hole. We're almost done. There it is. Well protected from Dan at Next Venture Motorsports. Thanks, Dan.